Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to locate your IP address on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So an IP address or Internet Protocol address is a unique number that identifies a device connected to the Internet. It's a numeric label that helps identify a computer or network and can be very helpful in troubleshooting connectivity issues. So we're going to go ahead and demonstrate how to locate that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in control panel. Best result, you'll come back with control panel. Go ahead and open that up. Set your view by in the top right to category view, and then select network and internet. Select the network and sharing center button. And then underneath Internet, there should be a hyperlink in here. Select that. It will tell you what your Wi-Fi or Ethernet Internet type is. On this page, you want to select the Details button. And here you go, guys. And you can see your IP address right here. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.